Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. It is August the 24th of 2019. I'm on my way home from fishing and I just cannot stop thinking about what happened today. I went up to Kincaid Lake to meet Nicholas Pull Yacht Outdoors, do a little fishing together. He's the closest YouTuber I've found so far to do a collaboration with. Went up, had a lot of fun, caught some fish. That video will be coming out after this one. I gotta go ahead and get this one up. It's just unbelievable. I've seen videos maybe on Facebook or YouTube before, but we were headed by the boat dock, seen a deputy sheriff, a tow truck, a bunch of people standing around with their phones looking like they were recording, and we couldn't see nothing in the water, so we went ahead and pulled up to the dock next to it, and lo and behold, this guy had backed his boat trailer up. The boat wasn't on the trailer, but it was underwater. Not sure what happened. I got the video, didn't ask any questions. Check it out. Dang it, man. I had a bad day. Think this tow truck can pull it out? Let's see. Any guesses? Put in the comments what kind of truck you think it is before they get it out. I'm gonna guess, is that a Chevy? GMC? What is that? We fixing to find out. Looks like he got an International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers sticker. There's the poor guy that lost his truck right there going toward the cab. Dang it, man. Silverado Chevrolet. I was right. Dang it, son. That's a good looking truck. It's got a little seaweed on it now. Yeah, I'll open that bed up, let the water out. There you go. Uh-oh. Tow truck starting to skid backwards. That's not good.
No, it's in neutral.
I think that tow truck driver's done this a time or two. He knows how big it drops off the side. Dang it.
I got the trailer.
Dang it. It's a nice looking truck. Too bad. What do you think? It's total now since it's been underwater?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Unless he killed the engine.
got it out of the water.
Check the inside of my truck, huh?
Dang it. Put her in gear. That sucks, dude. That's a nice looking Chevy. Nice looking Silverado. Alright, you ready to go catch some fish?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment if you did try to guess what kind of truck it was before it come out of the water. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a bunch. It's always good to turn that red button gray. Dang it, man. Alright, thanks for watching.